Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations, and guess what? We sometimes all struggle with gel plates. Well, here are some ideas from Gel Press.
Hey guys, here is Carolyn. Hello from SpectrumArtCreations. We love your videos. We follow you all the time.
Thank you. So now there's no pressure to make this a good print, okay?
No.
Gotta make
And
a
I'm
good one.
loving all the stuff that I see on the table. You are doing some interesting textures. I see some stencils, but I see some other stuff on your table. Very creative.
Oh, you know what? I will use that for you. Simply because you were simply eyeballing the dryer vent.
Now there's a way to give it texture.
Tell you. Oh, hardware stores are the best. Although I will say they're not very good when you ask them for things like, I'm looking for something like this. Well, what are you using it for?
Right, explain it, try.
Gel printing? Which section will I find? They're like, yeah. I love grunge. Oh, I love grunge. Grunge is good.
To our favorite colors, orange and teal.
They do work so well together. They are just gorgeous together. Of course, there's only one color that I think doesn't really go with everything, but I think you know which color that is. Let's see. Ooh, we need a little bit. But I just love that you just keep going. You don't have to clean anything. You just do the next one. No, do this. These are the big decisions. Paper, stencil. What do I put on it next? Oh, you're from Florida.
Yes.
You get this weather all the time.
Yes, we do. I know.
Love your weather. This time of year, I won't say that in August.
Oh, look at that one.
Ooh, I like that one. Let's see, what's next?
Yeah. She wants to know about your shirt. She loves puzzle pieces because Madison is on the spectrum. Hence, we are SpectrumArtCreations.
I now connect some dots. That makes sense. This is actually a gel plate. So they have a puzzle piece gel plate, and they've got one, you can see it in the booth. And I just took it with some paint and some fabric medium, and I gel printed this entire shirt. Just over and over and over again.
So you're saying that in addition to the sizes and the shapes, they have a puzzle piece now?
Yes.
How did we miss that?
I don't know.
Okay.
But it is wonderful, and because whoever designed this puzzle piece in life, it's great because it always fits. So no matter how I turn it, it would always fit. So one little plate did this whole shirt. And you just use it over and over again, and
I know, Madison's like, oh my goodness.
it was, I'm telling you, paint, any acrylic paint, and fabric medium. Mix them together and follow the directions for the fabric medium of how to set it. And now you take El Cheapo t-shirt. I should admit that I'm wearing really cheap clothes, when I'm working for somebody here. And you just print right on it. Just all the same techniques that you can do. Every one could be a different color. You could do it in a rainbow progression. You could do it all one color. I mean, there's just, sky's the limit. Sky's the limit for all the things you can do with them. So they also have a ribbon. So an awareness ribbon plate also. And,
see, we missed those. I didn't even see those.
And I've got a little hair in this somewhere, so, oh well, it's in there now. It's staying.
It's an added bonus.
All right, so we got that on there. I'm feeling butterflies today. So slap that on here. Hello. Like that rainbow strap on your purse.
Thank you. It goes with the purse, actually, so it kind of came with the purse.
Rainbow, you're speaking my language. If you're putting stencils down, one of the things is to use your fingertips. That gets the paper into the nooks and crannies on the stencil so that you get all the detail of your stencil. If you use just the brayer, you don't always get into all the details on the finer stuff, finer details. Ooh, I like that one.
You watch the video,
Oh,
he'll get you.
Beautiful.
Favorite color? I was trying to get you to pick a color for me, but okay.
Rainbow's a color.
Pink. Okay.
Teal. Bright pink.
I'm gonna go hot pink. Hot pink.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you, some days choosing a color, that is the equivalent of saying, how do we get to Mars? I'm like, I don't know, it's too much pressure. All right, I got a little enthusiastic with that paint, so I'm gonna take a little off. Now I got a little too enthusiastic removing it.
Yes, Mom.
What is your acrylic plates?
One to wipe off and one to actually brayer on.
All right. So now that goes there because you don't have to waste a drop of your paint. Ever, 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 ever. I'd make my grandmother so proud that I want to never waste anything, but it's just because I really love paint.
Mm-hmm.
This is also how I clean a stencil. That's all I do. Because cleaning is time that I've lost to other things that are just much more fun. So that's how you can get a really grungy, that's just the cleanup.
Well, that's pretty.
Now we see what this one's gonna do.
Ooh, yeah. Gorgeous.
But wait, there's more. Yeah. The amount of paint. Not enough paint. They were great for traveling. None of them broke open on the plane. So I was, not everybody in our group could say that. I'm like, ooh, very happy about those tips on those paints. So do you all gel print too?
I've never tried it. Okay, so Lydia Fiedler's been trying to get me to job print for so long. It's not even-
You should.
You have to. Once you do it, you will not
That's the
stop. It's an
problem.
addiction.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
and you will do everything from backgrounds to everything. I mean, coasters, anything, everything. I've even done some marbling techniques on the gel
Not ready.
plate. It's delicious.
It's not ready yet.
It's still cooking. Oh, that's pretty.
No, but I really like that.
No, I like it. It's very faint.
Now I planned carefully. I thought this through about an hour ago when I was adding. I was knowing that this would come here, and if you guys believe that, let me find some bridges to sell you. Yeah. Let me find something like that. I didn't know you were there. It's really all right. It is. If don't jump into the deep end, you can't go wrong with it. When you're getting started, color is such a big part of it, and what you want to do is just play in the same families. So blues, yellows, and greens to start with, and you won't get mud.
Yeah, your warm colors.
And then when you're ready, start adding more in, kind of thing.
Well, thank you, Carolyn.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
Hopefully that has given you tons of inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know what you think, and don't forget we are doing a giveaway, so as soon as the video reaches 20 comments we will start doing gift cards. So make sure that you leave your comment down below, and don't forget to share with your friends and in your crafty groups, because the more comments the more winners. And of course, all of the products that you've seen featured here and thousands more are available in our online stores. We have 2 stores to serve you, SpectrumArtCreations.com and our Etsy store, also Spectrum Art Creations. And we have live sales right here, right on this channel where you're watching. So make sure that you come back, because every week, sometimes multiple times a week, we have live sales where you can see the product live, you can shop live, you can chat, you can join in games and giveaways, all from the comfort of your home, and then have your items delivered right to your doorstep within a matter of days. Yes, products from all around the world. If you are on Facebook, make sure that you join the Facebook group. It is Spectrum Art Creations Friends. So don't forget the friends at the end. And that way you can post your makes and see other folks' makes as well. You can join in challenges and additional giveaways in the Facebook group too. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you can be notified of whenever we have new videos and all of these other reasons as well. Okay, I am going to leave a link here for another video full of amazing inspiration. So click on that and I'll see you there.